Welcome to Daily English Talk. In today's episode, we'll listen to a simple, fun, real-life story called My First Cooking Lesson. This lesson is about Tom, who decides to cook for the first time in his life, and Anna, who patiently teaches him step by step. Through this story, you'll practice everyday English, learn useful cooking words, and enjoy a warm, friendly conversation. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's step into the kitchen together. It's a quiet morning. Tom and Anna are in the kitchen drinking tea.
Anna, can I tell you something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I think I want to learn how to cook.
Really? That's new.
I know. I usually just order food or eat instant noodles.
What made you change your mind?
Well, yesterday I tried to boil eggs, and I burned them.
You burned boiled eggs.
Yes, I forgot the water.
Tom, that's impressive.
Please don't laugh. That's why I need your help.
Anna smiles and walks to the fridge.
Okay, first cooking lesson. We need something simple.
Simple sounds good. Very simple.
How about fried eggs and rice?
Eggs again? Are you sure?
Yes, if you can cook eggs, you can cook many things.
All right, I trust you.
Good. Step 1, we plan.
We plan eggs.
We need eggs, oil, salt, and rice.
I already feel stressed.
Relax. Cooking is not a test.
It feels like one.
They start preparing ingredients.
Tom, wash your hands first.
Oh, right. Cooking rule number 1. How long do I wash?
About 20 seconds.
Okay. 1 elephant, 2 elephant.
You don't need to count elephants.
Too late.
Now take 2 eggs.
Only 2? What if I break one?
Then we use the 3rd egg.
Smart backup plan.
Tom looks very serious.
I'm nervous.
Don't worry. Tap the egg gently on the bowl.
Like this? Oof.
Oops. It's okay. Just remove the shell.
There's shell everywhere.
Use the eggshell to scoop it out.
Wow. Cooking has tricks.
Yes, and you'll learn them one by one.
This is already harder than ordering food.
Now comes the most dangerous part for Tom.
Okay, turn on the stove.
Which button?
The big one.
All of them are big.
The one on the left.
Left. My left or your left?
Your left.
Okay. Oh, fire.
Yes, Tom. Cooking involves fire.
I suddenly respect chefs a lot more.
The oil is hot.
Slowly pour the eggs into the pan.
Slowly. Slowly. Why is it so loud?
That's normal.
It sounds angry.
That means it's cooking.
Okay, angry eggs.
Add a little salt.
How much?
Just a pinch.
What is a pinch?
This much.
That's not a number.
Cooking is not math.
That explains a lot.
They wait for the eggs to cook.
Anna, why do you like cooking?
Because it's relaxing.
Relaxing? I feel like I'm in danger.
You'll get used to it.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I'm tired too.
That makes me feel better.
Cooking is not about being perfect. It's about trying.
I like that.
The eggs are ready.
Okay, turn off the stove.
Done. No fire now.
Put the eggs on the plate.
Wow. I made this?
Yes, you did.
Moment of truth. It's good.
Really?
Yes. Not amazing, but good.
That's a great start.
I feel proud.
They sit down and eat together.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.
I always thought cooking was scary.
And now?
Still scary, but less.
That's progress.
Can we cook again tomorrow?
Of course.
Before we finish, let's review some useful words from today's lesson. Ingredients. Crack an egg. Frying pan. Stove. Pinch of salt. Cooking, like learning English, starts with small steps. Thank you for listening to Daily English Talk. See you next time.